Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting their bass settings on the Pioneer VSX-30? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power and access. Turn on your Pioneer VSX-30 receiver and press the audio parameter button on your remote. Step 2. Navigate menu. Use the up and down arrow keys on the remote to find the bass setting in the audio parameter menu. Step 3. Adjust bass. Select bass and adjust the level using the left and right arrows. Choose between -6 dB and +6 dB to suit your preference. Step 4. Exit menu. Press the return button to exit the menu once you're satisfied with the adjustment. Step 5. Enjoy sound. Enjoy your customized sound settings with the adjusted bass levels. Now, you should be able to easily adjust the bass on your Pioneer VSX-30 receiver. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Pioneer users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.